what an awesome run. So I already made a run with my new setup. I figure out the issues with the ride height. Now it sits lower, like so, and maintaining all the flex that it had in the past. So the run was amazing in the mud, in the water. I really liked it. This is a very capable rig as it is right now. So I'm going to take out the body in order to you to see what I've made to accommodate the rear shocks better, okay? So first I made a template of cardboard, following the lines of the chassis right here. Then I translated to sheet metal. I think this is zinc plated sheet metal. Then I used the hole of the first, where the first position of the shocks, to address and to hold this plate here, as you can see on the backwards here. And the shocks, they are roughly in the same position, barely hitting or not hitting at all the chassis, and they work just fine. This is the overall, the spacers, the overall looking. The spacers here, I use plastic spacers, like so. It's the only change that I've made, okay? The shocks were moved from here to here with these little adapters. And I also moved the steering arm a hole down. Okay, I think it gave a little bit more angle of a little bit more of a radius, the turning radius. In the next video I will upgrade this with the brushless outrunner, but now I will leave you with the footage of this rig on the rain, okay? See you next time, guys, bye! It's been raining for the past 2 or 3 days and it's still raining. So I'm going to do a small trail just to see how this handles it, okay? Let's begin. This is in high rate. Quite a deep hole. Wow, I'm impressed. This is very slippery today. Let's try irate. Okay. Okay. Too slippery. Wow, amazing. No grip.